How to install and set up ChatGPT on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you also want to install ChatGPT and set up in order to do various tasks, what you can simply do is first go to App Store or Play Store on your Android device, then search ChatGPT. Now over here you can see the ChatGPT application. Tap on Get. Now after your application is downloaded, launch the ChatGPT app. Now it will take you to the cover page. Now what you can do is either you can sign up or log in, or you can try it first then log in later. Now if you write anything or ask any question to ChatGPT, it will reply. Now if you want to log in, simply tap on the login option which is over here. Now you can either do it with your Apple or Google if you already have an account, but if you want to create new account, tap on sign up. Then enter your email over here. After you do that, your email will receive a verification code. Wait for some time until the code arrives. After the code arrives over here, tap on continue, and after that you will successfully be logged in to your ChatGPT. So this is how you can install and set up ChatGPT on your device. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.